Hey guys, it's Mary. So, you have no idea the tragedy that surrounds me that you cannot see off camera. I am in the middle of the 4-day Crop and Create from Scrapbook and Cards today. There's 16 classes, 4-day. I'm on the West Coast, so they like to get us up at 6 in the morning for a 6:30 start time. And it is recorded, and I could watch later, but that takes the fun out of it all. I like doing it as much as I can live. But I'm on a break, and I thought this was a perfect time to tell you that I got my HSN Craft Day goodies in. So I wanted to share with you quickly. But I'm trying desperately. Okay, there we go. I didn't get a lot. All right, so I got the Diamond Press Floral Sprigs die stamp and stencil kit, because you know I'm a fool for stencils. And I just thought this was gorgeous, and I will do a full video on it. Let me see if I can get it open. Maybe. Oh my goodness gracious me. Why is this not opening? This is so weird. All right, let's try this side. All right, I give up. We're gonna cut this puppy open, because for some reason, I don't know why, it is not cooperating. And I don't know why. Man, even the scissors didn't want to cut through it. All right, so here we go. We've got a stamp set. We've got the dies. Look at how huge this is. This one is 4 3/4. That way. This way it's 5. That is a big piece of real estate there. By 4. So these are gonna be huge. Let's take a look. Look at them. Look at how beautiful they are. You're in my thoughts. Brightening your day. Thinking of you. You're amazing. Sending positive vibes. Enjoy every moment. Sending warm hugs. Smiles just for you. You are truly wonderful. Have a great day. Sending love your way. Gosh, so nice. So nice. So, of course, we've got, we got the sticky paper now, and then we got the folder, and then we've got our stencils. And it looks like there's 4 large ones and 4 small ones. Must be for these 2 here. Let's look. Yeah, place a desired floral bouquet stamp, right. And then it does the 4 of the large ones. It does the large bouquet, which is this one here. And then this one does the slim line right there. And then if desired, you can, there must be 2. Okay, if desired, you can do them individually and then make your own design on the slimline one. See how they have it here? So pretty. I am so excited. So, oh, maybe we'll use this on Monday. Yeah. Okay. Don't hold me to it, but I think we're going to use it on Monday. I think it'll be perfect. I just love that. I am just so happy with that. You know, I know I have flowers, but you know I'm a sucker for a good flower, and I'm a sucker for a good stencil. So what can I say? What can I say? So the other items that I purchased was also diamond press, and I picked up their acrylic marker set, and I am looking forward to using these. So I want to try somewhere, I don't know if it was in the demo or whatever, but they had used the markers on acrylic, and it was stunning. So acrylic paint markers in the vivid colors, and then this is the neutrals, but I like that they're metallic and regular combined. So all right, so let's just try one. I've got acetate, I've got white, I've got black cardstock. So let's see. Let's see if I can open this one. Yeah, isn't that weird? It does look like they're, oh, this one's got a label back here, so it's going to be difficult. So hold that thought. Wow. Don't throw your wrapping away because it makes a great window for a shaker card. All right, so let's just do a little quick here. Well, I am on break and I do need to get back. I hope everybody, if you're on the East Coast, I hope all is well with you and your family. And they're, I think the bad part is over with. Man, nothing's working today for me. All right, here we go. Bear with me. These fingers have been working overtime this weekend. Well, it would have helped if I had opened it from the right end, so. Well, we'll fix that. All right, let's use just a regular. All right. Oh. So we've got like a bullet and then they call it wide, fine and wide. What color is this? No color. It is what you want it to be. All right, yep, no color. That's interesting. All right, so it's like a coppery color. So that's it on white. Black. And then acetate. I would imagine it's going to take a while to dry on the acetate, but it is paint, so it should dry slower, but it still should dry. So that's the wide tip, but that was using this side, so you can still get a pretty fine tip with that side. And this is what they are calling fine, which looks just like that, so. But depending on your pressure. So, all right, so that's it. We're gonna give these puppies a try and see how they work. Let me know in comments if you picked up either the acrylic markers or you picked up the stamp set, stamp and stencil set. I love that it's a stamp, stencil, and a die set, so I'm excited about that. And I will try my very best for it to be Monday's video if you're interested in seeing what it looks like. So, all right, that's it. I got to get back to it. Thanks for stopping by. If you're doing the Crop and Create, I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. They always put on a great event. So, and they're going back to 2 big ones a year. So I'm happy about that. All right, that's it. You know about subscribing, hitting the thumbs up if you like a video. Yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know. And if you didn't pick these up, let me know what you did pick up for Craft Day. I'd be interested to hear what you did get and if you like it. So, all right, that's it. Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.